Worried, panic and fear grips Jamaican diaspora in the U.S. as the world digests the controversial executive order signed by U.S. President Donald Trump. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Speak up. Jamaican government called on to condemn U.S. so-called Muslim ban.
Searching for work, vendors flock to Mandela Highway as Bogwalk Gorge sales dry up.
Shortage. St. Anne cemeteries face dwindling spaces.
Cold-blooded murder. Police face accusations after a cop killing.
And in the business day, looking ahead, NCB on how it plans to be the bank of the future.
There is also a ray of hope, sports post commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
The United States President's controversial executive order on immigration has generated global concerns. Should Caribbean countries in particular be worried, and why?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam.